So I think just the schedule that they provided me, my last project was a 2.5-month long project, and they gave me a month by month, day by day schedule of, so I knew when the tile person was coming, when the painter was coming, when the window people were coming, just to have the security, I have a security system, so I knew when they were coming to have the security system off. I knew when they weren't coming, and I also had to travel during that time too, so they worked around my schedule. And they were right on track with everything. There was some things get delayed, but then they communicated that here's now what we're going to do with this date. We're going to move this around, and then we're going to get these people here first, and then have these people. So they were always in communication when they needed to be. Not overly communicated, because I don't need to be communicated with every day, but they knew how much communication. They could sense how much communication I needed, and they followed that lead too with everything. And I think, just another piece of it all, the cleanup afterwards, everyone that comes into the house, they left it clean when they left that day. So if a painter came, everything was cleaned up from the painter. If someone was coming there for drywall, it was everything with the dust free when I came home that night. So everything was set. The house was locked. When I came home at night, the house was fully locked up, so I didn't have to worry that anyone was there.